Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the app returned empty feed error in Feedly Zapier. So if the app returned empty feed or that error or that message, if you see it on Feedly when using Zapier, it usually means Zapier isn't receiving any articles from the feed you connected, okay? So this can happen for a few different reasons. So first, you will need to check if the feed actually has new content, okay? So go with Feedly right here because Zapier triggers only on new items. And if your feed hasn't updated recently, Zapier returns an empty feed, of course, okay? So as I told you, just open your Feedly and check if new articles exist, okay, on today. So you can find the today articles just right here on the optional left side menu, okay? It's the first one. And try adding more active feeds like new sites or the news in America, for example, the YouTube ideas, etc. Okay. Also, you will need to test the trigger properly. So when setting up your Zap on Zapier, you will need to click on test run and then test trigger, okay? So actually Feedly, you will need to set it up on the trigger section. All right, so Feedly, go with the trigger event that you want and sign in with your account, of course, okay? And also set up the action that you want and then go with a test run or test triggers. So if this shows nothing, it means Zapier couldn't find recent items on Feedly. So you will need just to wait for a new article to publish or switch to a feed that updates frequently, okay? So you can go with follow sources right here and then go, for example, with cybersecurity and follow, as I told you, some feeds that update frequently. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.